How to make money on Freelancer as a whiteboard animator. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, freelancer.com is a platform where you can create your own profile in order to showcase your skills to the business owners or the visitors of this platform. So for example, if I was a business owner coming down to this platform to search for a whiteboard animator, I will just go to hire freelancers in here, click on by skill, and then I'm going to search for the freelancer that I'm searching for. We have 2D animators, 3D, we need whiteboard animators. I think we cannot find that in these categories, so we will need to search for it manually. So for example, let's just go with a motion graphics design or 2D animators, just to show you an example. And here you can hire expert 2D animators for any job, and by scrolling down you will be able to see their profiles. Let's click on see more 2D animators, and here you can see their profiles. It's where they are showcasing their skills, showing how much they're getting paid per hour, showing their ratings, their headline, and their description as well. Same thing with those other ones. You can also see where are they from and their name, and by clicking on their profile you will be able to see a lot of things. And starting with the verifications here, which are very important to build more trust with clients. As you can see, you need to have all of them in check. This freelancer doesn't have this one in check. It would be better if he had it also. And here you can see the reviews, the percentage of likeliness to accept a project, how much jobs he completed, how much he completed on time, how much he completed on budget, and how much repeat hire rate he has. You can check his description in here, and by scrolling down you will be able to see his portfolio and his skills as well. And by scrolling more you will see the reviews, what the clients are saying about him, how are they talking about him, how is he interacting with the clients, and those sort of stuff. So why I'm showing you this, just to make you know what you're going to learn in today's video, guys. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a profile like this one, with how to set the verifications, how to set the portfolio, and all of those things. So let's go back to the main page, click on Freelancer to start creating our profile. Give it a few seconds to load. Click on earn money freelancing, and here make sure to fill the usual information, your first name, last name, email, and password. Then click on join freelancer. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account, so here I'm going to drop my username and my password, then click on login. Give it a few seconds to redirect us to the dashboard. It's where you're going to control everything about your profile. So this is our dashboard. It's where we can control everything about our profile. So go to your top right, and here you have your account and your finances. In your finances you can check your balance, you can add funds, withdraw funds, check your transaction history, your financial dashboard, and your payment sharing. And you can also check the support if you've encountered any problem, or if you want to invite friends, they will provide you with a unique link, your own link to invite your friends. And if you want to log out from the platform, and by going up you will see your account. It's where you can view your profile, your membership, your account analytics, bid insights, and settings. So let's check the profile. We still need to make a lot of adjustments to our profile. As you can see, we have anything in it, we have nothing in it, 0 reviews, 0 amount earned, 0% likeliness to accept a project, 0 in everything. So let's start with editing our profile. And if you want to edit your profile, you will need first to verify your email. As you can see, verification, email verification required. And guys, after you're done verifying your email, then make sure to add a profile picture. It's very important because there is no client that will work with a freelancer who doesn't even have a profile picture. And then upload a cover photo as well. It's really helpful. After you're done with the pictures, then you proceed to the verifications. And as I mentioned in the beginning, verifications are a really important step in order to build trust and credibility in the platform as a whole and with clients in general. So here, make sure to join to be a member of the elite group of the best freelancers. And when it comes to the identity, make sure to verify it through a government issued ID check and a proof of address. And make sure to verify your payment method as well. Same with your phone number, email, we've talked about it before. And if you have a Facebook account, make sure to connect it as well in here. And after you're done with the verifications, then you proceed to enter in your hourly rate. After that, you enter your professional headline and your summary. And the summary, guys, is just basically the description. It's where you're going to talk about the years of experience you have, where did you learn the skill, how many years did it take to learn it, your previous work, and a little bit of information about you and your life, your inspiration, and stuff like that. Then you proceed to enter in your skill. So here, let's enter your skill. Remove this one. You can add up to 20 skills. So make sure to choose all of the skills that you can perform. So here, let's remove. We have whiteboard animation. I think that's all what we have in this skill. Let's go with whiteboard as well. Then if you want to save the skills or the changes that you made, scroll down and click on save. And then you proceed to enter in or upload in your profile. And as I said, profile is very important for clients to check your work before hiring you. Same thing with experience, education, qualifications, and publications. Make sure to add all of those things to build more trust. And when you're done with making all of these adjustments, then it's time to make some money. So let's go to browse, click on projects, and then you will be able to see all of the posted jobs that are looking for the same skill like the one you're performing. You can check the posted jobs, and then if you find the one that fits your requirements, you can apply for it. And that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.